In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove formulas in Google Sheets while keeping the values intact. This is a handy trick that ensures your data stays manageable and free from any unexpected changes due to alterations in your formulas. Imagine you've been working tirelessly on a Google Sheets document, using formulas to automate calculations and organize information neatly. Well, sometimes you might want to finalize your data and prevent it from altering accidentally. The key here is to remove these formulas while retaining their final calculated values. Thankfully, Google Sheets offers a straightforward way to accomplish this, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Begin by selecting the cells that contain the formulas you wish to remove. This can be a single cell, a range of cells, or even an entire column or row, depending on what you're working on. Use your mouse to click and drag over the desired area. With your selection made, the next step is to copy those cells. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl and simultaneously on your keyboard if you're using a device running Windows or Linux. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to press Command and C. This action copies everything in those cells, including formulas, readying them for transfer. Now that you've copied the cells, it's time to paste the values only, discarding the formulas. Right-click on the selected cells. You'll see a menu popping up with various options. Among these, find and select Paste Special, and then choose Values Only from the ensuing submenu. By doing this, you're telling Google Sheets to paste just the final values into those cells, without any of the underlying formulas. This conversion is crucial as it locks in the data, preventing any further changes based on potential shifts in the original formulas. As a quick tip, this process is also perfect for simplifying data when sharing your document with others, ensuring they see only what you intended without any hidden calculations that could cause confusion. It's important to note that once you do this, you're only retaining the current results of each formula. Going back or attempting to undelete the formulas isn't an option unless you undo the action right after completing it or have a backup version of your document. So take a moment before proceeding just to be sure. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to remove formulas from your Google Sheets while keeping your desired values intact. Feel free to use this technique anytime you need to finalize or share your spreadsheet data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.